Hey guys, Woods Farm here, Project 222. Just going to do a quick update video. This is a special video. Basically, I just got a package in the mail, actually 3 packages, from one of the channel's longtime fans and supporters, Gene from Massachusetts. He sent us up a care package with a whole bunch of donation stuff for the project. I believe it's some uniform stuff for the reenactment part of Project 222, and also some parts and components that we can actually use on the vehicle. So let's go over to the table and check it out. So I just picked up these 3 packages the other day. I did open them up and have a quick look, but I'll do an unboxing. And again, thanks Gene for sending this stuff up for the project. It's going to really come in handy. So I'm just going to quickly go over what we got here. Start with the first box. We've got a lot of uniform stuff in here that we can use. It's a set of extra large Panzer wrap and some pants. This is really cool. This is a headset, like it looks like an original set. Not sure if I'm going to be able to rewire these up and make them functional. That would be cool. But if not, it's just a really good piece to go with uniform. It's like a throat mic and a push button, push to talk button. This looks like it's for, this is modern obviously, but super useful. We are working on comms. I think right now the plan is to just use FRS radios. Maybe later we'll build an actual intercom system. But the driver and the crew commander at a minimum are going to need a way to communicate, and that's just to safely drive the vehicle around. Looks like some wire. It's like a 3-strand wire. I'm sure we'll come up for use for that. Random pack of JB Weld. This stuff, I just used it in the last video, so I think I know what he had in mind for this, but that's a pretty cool addition. Oh, this is pretty cool. These look like shovel mounts. There's 2 of them. And the Scout Car has a shovel mounted on the side, so they're going to come in handy. These are pretty nice reproductions. I'm guessing these are Eastern Europe somewhere. But yeah, very cool. Random hunk of pipe. This is some pretty heavy duty stuff. Again, I think I know what Gene had in mind, why he sent this up to us. Probably for the MG replica. A couple of these things always come in handy. I actually lost my last one at a reenactment, so set of binoculars. Oh, this is pretty cool. This is like an original push-to-talk setup. It's like Bakelite. It's got the little, I don't want to break it. It's got the little clip. I wonder if this is something I could get working. And we got a reversible splinter. It gets cold up here in Canada, so this will come in handy. Okay. musty smelling old box here. But, oh, I think I know what this is. Another reversible winter tunic. Interesting packaging. We got a jack. So this is a very, basically exactly what they had. How you reverse this. Okay, what do we got in here? Some more uniform stuff, suspenders, field caps. Oh, we got 2 sets of goggles. These are pretty awesome. 2 different styles, kind of like an aviator style. And we got spray paint. Always comes in handy. Here's another piece. This is also part of a shovel mount. Another one of these guys. Can never have too many. And oxygen spark arrestor. That'll be for the machine gun simulator, the MG34. Some more uniform pieces, some scarves. So a good setup. Random tape measure, thank you. Nice knife, fork, spoon set. Bundeswehr. And there's a case, and we've got some insignia and some components for, it looks like some components for wiring up the headset. Another pair of uniform pants. We got some relic pieces that are from, looks like MG34. set of Bakelite grips. So we're going to build a replica MG34 that is basically a machine gun simulator, a gas simulator. So inside, we'll probably try to replicate some of the look. So this kind of stuff will come in handy. I'll probably try to salvage this piece because the main thing that you're going to see on the replica that we are going to use for the turret is the barrel coming out of the turret. So that'll be a really nice piece to put on the end there. That was a huge amount of stuff. Thank you, Gene. Really awesome. A lot of uniform stuff that we're going to be able to use for our impressions when we finally get the vehicle completed and we start taking it out to reenactments and public events. All that stuff's going to come in handy. Also, some really cool components for the vehicle. I think in the next couple of videos, I'll probably actually be getting around to making the mount for the jack and also getting the shovel mounted. And down the road, we are going to be working on the replica MG34, the gas simulator. So some of that stuff's going to be used for that as well. So thank you for the donation, Gene. It was awesome. And we really appreciate your support.